Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make or create a blank page using PDF element. Open your PDF file or unopen PDF element software. Now select file option and here you will find this create option. Here I will create a blank page PDF file. Simply select blank PDF and see this. This is now create a blank page PDF file and now you can insert blank page this PDF file last page and see this. In this you can make new blank page PDF file or also you can insert blank page to an existing PDF file and see this. Now click this page thumbnail option and click right button. You will find insert pages. This is blank page. I'll insert blank page after first page. Now select OK and see this. After first this blank page inserted. Also you can insert a blank page. Click this page organize option here. Now select insert option and select blank page. I'll insert blank page after page number 6. Now select OK and see this page number 6 is blank page now inserted. In this way you can create new blank PDF file. Also you can insert blank page to an existing PDF file. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.